Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Dacia oil light. There are a lot of types, so it's very complicated. To delete oil lights, this is one that you can see up to there. The yellow light under number 6. I'm sure you are this video because you have already tried a lot of videos and doesn't work in your car. Any method, even try to step on the pedals and with the button neither. If you want to learn, stay there until the end of the video. We are going to need an OBD2. The model that I am using is the ELM327. This is not expensive. And then you have to download a program which is called Dacia Service Reset in Android system. The program is official and you can download in Play Store. The next step is find where is the OBD port in your car. You can find it on the left part. Remove this light. I'm do it. Then you see the yellow color, that's the OBD port, and connect your OBD. In my case, I was wrong to insert it. Now we are going to turn on your car. Don't start up the car, only spin the key to step, and your car computer is now on. Now your OBD2 is on. Now you have to connect it. Your phone to the OBD. You have to turn on your Bluetooth and share for the device. When you have it connected, insert the password 4 zeros or 1234. I try both of them and you will be connected. Then check if you are connected. It's very easy for now. Now they are connected. You have to be near of the car to stay connected. It's not necessary to have your car ripped off. And now you open the program Dacia Service Reset, and I will explain you how this works. It's very easy for now. I have it there on my Android device. Now you open the program and I will explain you what you need to do. The program is opening. You can see the device option. Connected to OBD2. You can see you are connected now. Do you see the green letter? the OBD2 is connected. These are the three options: oil interval, trip, and reset. First, I will show you the reset option. Now I'm going to reset the light. Press the reset button. To finish the reset option, you might see an announcement. I'm going to show you my 3 books. If you like science fiction, I have this novel, NAES, Agencia para el Estudio del Espacio, and I had written 3 kids' books. La noche que los padres ayudaron a los Reyes Magos y el monstruo que equivocaba la cara con el culo. Now I'm working to the second part of the novel NAES. If you wanna buy, how you find on the internet and bookshops. After the publicity, you can see a green check have its reset. Now I'm going to see the oil interval. This one is very important. Look at the distance, I'm going to write 18,000. And I write 365 days. And I write remaining days 2000 and remaining days 50 to warn you. Then press submit and see the publicity. And your car is now configured. The last one is trip computer. You can configure in kilometers or miles. Then press submit and see the publicity again. It's very easy for now. The oil lights are off now, but other lights are still on. I will be using Torque, but you can choose other programs. Open Torque program and check the pictograms are on. Press full codes and press the clear code to the other lights will disappear. I repeat few times to check if it's fixed. Now I don't have any warning lights. Look that I haven't moved the car and I have fixed the warning lights error. So nothing more. If this was useful for you, you support me subscribing to my channel and give me a like, and if you are interested in all my books, buy it. Thank you.